Hello everybody. Today I review the tool to weld battery. It's called a width nickel, and over here is the power on. There you go. So this button, this is charger. The button is show manual and auto. Right now it's auto. Rest it's manual. Rest auto. Red long press is auto manual. Quick press is gear. You want stronger, you need stronger. It's one, it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11. So now the base number 1. I will try number 6. I will try number 6. Right now I choose auto. So number 6, that's right here. Yeah. Let's see. Good enough. Oh, no good. No good. We number 6 no good. We increase number 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So now choose manual. Choose manual. Long press. No, manual. Manual, you have to press on this button. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Okay. 11 is good. 11 is good. One, two, three. It should 11. 11. We should 11 better. Press. There you go. Okay.